Hello everyone, I hope you're well. Let's continue. This is another video on the rejection zones. Based on what? Based on recognition points. That is candlesticks that plot my candlesticks. Based on zone is based on the wording. I enter it goes up or down. Of course, market is the for the financial mark, so be careful if you look here. Even though there's rejection, this doesn't break here or fall below. No. And look what it does next. It's not that it's broke. I feel below I could enter on the downside. Okay, look at here the speed. It reacts clearly. 45 seconds. Okay, if I could give her some advice to very patient when entry. That is wait for support. Okay, otherwise it might be the full and enter on the upside and lose. You have to be patient, and this is a time strategy. So 30 seconds for that candle. Expiration time 45. And with the amount of $27 and my first entry, take the explanation. Okay, upward entry on 80 CAD. Okay, so let's with that CAD GPY now 80 CAD. Okay, so the price is doing the good zone, the price is falling, stops right at the level where it start to. Whether to go long or short based on the breakout, guys, the prices falls below, reacts to the point, and then it starts to fall. Again, but it doesn't happen. All right, look at what this does above. I wait for it for the fall below. It's fall below, but not enough. Okay, look, not enough in the next candle was where I enter in it. Confirm that it didn't break and support in the rising, and look for a very small close meaning that if this goes down, I couldn't enter. All right. So 2 seconds and a position gain on this pair, man. $51 in the total on my account. Let's wait for that to rise again and break. That return, it does happen. There's a start again to indicate this rise or fall. That's the entry I'm waiting for. So I have the first correction call, guys. I'm going for look for a pattern on the entry pattern to take this play net. Okay. Look here, we have an opportunity. I think they're entry late, but that's good. All right, now in the GJPY. Okay, good signal for that. Look at this, guys. Wake 4-1. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. The lowest point on this moment. In other words, candlesticks 2x or could have remained an upward trend unless very big. I would go in. But it's already given it 2 candles if it goes with classic candles. The answer is here in the middle, but that's okay because it would be the same answer in the good point. And well, look at another position on that is happening right here. 3 seconds to 1, we got our second one. 4 or 5 is that, guys. It's fast strategy. $97 is very fast like this. Okay. And explaining the how zones works, they have to wait for this reaction zone and given it at least 3 or 4 rejections. It doesn't give me on this, but 2 candles and that will be the downside. The answer is to criterion. All right. Okay, last look for another one position possible. The last one. And what I have it because I will explain that again. Remember the trade in the marks OTC. So here I have an entry, all right, the price reached the level market a while ago. 1, 3, 4, 5, yeah. 5 weeks, all right. It's mega green candle, it's giving me an entry and going to the upside reaction. Counted as 2, so entering the upside is valid. If I wait for another candle, what could be? It goes very high, we're losing the entry, so okay. All right. Last position in all CAD again for 5 seconds, okay. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. So we got this, another one, $188. We got this together. Let's mark the candles, delivering the next one. What have happened in the Haver entry on the moment? In that one in this candle, what's more to green candles appear not a rising ash candle. Would there have been 15 seconds left in the still? They're fine for entry. Okay, let's see that. 15 seconds remaining for this, for the next one. I'd have to be in a heart attack. I would have won anyway, but it's okay. All right. Anyway, the prices goes up. Look at this. That's very strong. The mostly for the feeder on interrogate to observe, guys. Look at the entry. How does this happen? I'll wait until the super candles appears on that, and that affects the entry interaction. Come on, man. I don't know if it's going to react, you guys. I'm guided by rejections, so the entry on the stars would be rejection people. When I hope the strategies work for this market, so to see strategies 4 or 5 seconds, and that is a fast one because analysis well, you win or not. Okay, could be that the missed simple direction and are not correct. I increased my account 27 for 189. That will be good. So no other trade, guys. And that as well. Stay calm and wait for the partner. And I enter. Invite to like the video, subscribe to the notification. Can stay tuned on the few new videos and strategy that can help with the binary stock market. I invite you to stay tuned on the live missions, then place on that. Okay, Monday Friday. There you can learn, guys, ask questions and more. Talk to me on the chat. Okay, stay good. Wish good profits and see you guys. Bye bye.